Hello and welcome to the BDB Platform. In this video, we'll introduce the new component chart added to the Designer 8.0, which is Decomposition Chart. In this video, we'll see how to use the Decomposition Chart to gain insights into your data. A decomposition chart is a visual representation of how different factors are contributing to an overall trend. Decomposition charts provide a clear and concise way to understand complex data. Examples of decomposition charts: seasonal decomposition of time series, decomposition of customer churn rate by age group, decomposition of revenue by product category. Now, let's move to the live demo. This is the Designer homepage. First, drag and drop the decomposition chart from the component library onto the canvas. Then, associate a valid dataset with the chart. For example, consider the category field as population and visualize population data as per country, state, and city in a hierarchical order. To configure the chart, open the Chart Configuration menu and select Population as the category field. Choose Country as the first level, State as the second level, and City as the third level. This will split the core metric, population, into its components and organize them hierarchically. Now, show the resulting chart on the canvas, with population data visualized as per country, state, and city. By clicking on one node, other nodes of the same hierarchy will close, and all the subcategories or children nodes will display. This allows for a detailed analysis of the data by drilling down into the hierarchy, identifying key factors that affect the population, and exploring trends and seasonality patterns. Customize the appearance of the component by adjusting its height, width, top, and left properties. If you want the component to be hidden initially, simply uncheck the visibility option. You can also manage the component size by using the Max button to minimize or maximize the chart. To enable context levels, check the Enable Context Levels property field. This allows you to select the next hierarchy levels as per your requirements. You can also right-click on a node to select the next level. Finally, you can customize the node color by selecting the node style option and choosing your preferred color. When using the count aggregation type, you can view the number of items in each category. That's how easy it is to use the decomposition chart to gain insights into your data. Try it out for yourself and see what patterns and trends you can discover. Thanks for watching.